Hello everyone, what's up? How's it going? I hope you're having great day so far. I'm back with a beautiful Chrome design. I hope, actually I know most of you love this style. That's why we created this beautiful design so you can use this and apply this to your logo and to your text and use this in less than just a couple of minutes. You can download this from our freebies because this is a free design, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use this in your projects. So before anything else, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. And actually just this text style is applicable to any language. As you can see here, there is a Korean version of our design. That's beautiful. That's just beautiful. Right click on the yellow layer and select edit content. And in this video, in this new window, we got two text layers that you can double click on each of them and change it. Hyperpix, styles, position a little lower. You can use any phone you want. You can change the size, anything. Close it and select yes. Beautiful apply to our text without any difficulty, just effortless as possible. Okay, double click on the other text layer so you can type your own text. Type whatever you want. It's totally up to you. It's not a copyright. Disable it, enable it. It's totally up to you. Okay, we got a sparkles folder. As you can see here, there's a variety of white and yellow sparkle things. Select each of them and put them where they should go. And position it on the edges of your design. You can duplicate them, resize them, disable them. It's totally up to you. I think it's good. I think you got the gist of it. So make sure you keep taking your time to do that. Next one is the styles that contains the technical part of our design. So skip this one. Next one, we got lights folder. Two lights in the background. There is this little lighting in the background. Double click on each of them. And from color overlay, you can change the color and choose any color you want. You can just disable them. It's totally up to you. Don't worry about that, okay? You can have this transparent. Just disable sparkles and backgrounds and lights. You're gonna have a beautiful, sharp Chrome text style. Use this anywhere. Okay. Before finishing this one, let me show you how you can apply this to a logo. Yes, it's doable. All right. In the edit content window that we edit the text, just import the logo and import this in this window. Okay, position it in the middle. Perfect. Just remove the other text layers. And from here, we're good. Close the window and select yes. Our style is beautifully applied to our text and to our logo. This is beautiful. Position the sparkles where they should go so you can get the final look. Great. Look at the beautiful result. This is breathtaking. Well, if you want to download this, go to hyperpix.net, and from our freebies you can download this right now, plus a lot of other text styles that you can download for free and use them in your commercial or personal project. Don't worry about the copyright. It's no credit limit, no credit needed. Use this anywhere you want. Okay, please subscribe to our channel. Give this a thumbs up to this video, and thanks for watching.